A widely anticipated all-electric compact crossover SUV in the B segment, subcompact SUV, class is the 2026 BYD Atto 2. Directly beneath the well-liked Atto 3, it is the new entry-level SUV in BYD's global lineup. The vehicle will be made widely available during the 2026 model year after starting its launch in late 2025 in important international markets, including as Europe and Australia. Its main goal is to provide excellent pricing, current technology, and high safety standards in a size that is perfect for urban settings. This car is marketed as the BYD Yuan Up in China. Release, platform, and position in the market. The Atto 2 is based on BYD's cutting-edge e-Platform 3.0, a specialized electric vehicle architecture that provides high safety, effective packing, and a roomy interior despite its small exterior size. The SUV is roughly 150 mm shorter than the Atto 3 and has a length of 4.31 meters. It is positioned to directly compete with competitors like the Volvo EX30, Renault Megane E-Tech, and Hyundai Kona Electric, frequently undercutting them with a more aggressive starting price. It is anticipated to be among the most reasonably priced electric SUVs on the market. Driving range and powertrain. The Atto 2 prioritizes efficiency, safety, and longevity by utilizing BYD's in-house electric motor and blade battery technology. A motor generating 130 kilowatts, 174 horsepower, and 290 newton-meters of torque powers the front-wheel drive system in both trim levels, allowing for a 0 to 100 km/h time of roughly 7.9 seconds. Market-specific battery alternatives differ. With a 51.3 kilowatt-hour blade battery, LFP, the base model has a WLTP range of about 345 kilometers, 214 miles. While some regions still sell the lower battery for all trims, higher trims in Europe get a 64.8 kilowatt-hour battery, which increases range to about 420 kilometers, 261 miles. Features for charging and utilities. Depending on battery size and market conditions, the Atto 2 can handle DC fast charging up to 82 kilowatts, which enables the battery to recharge from 30 to 80% in about 28 minutes. All variants come equipped with vehicle-to-load (V2L) capability, which allows the vehicle to charge external devices like tools or camping gear. Additionally included is a heat pump, which increases range and efficiency in colder climates. Technology and interior space. The Atto 2 has a surprisingly roomy and technologically advanced interior for its small size. Depending on the specification and market, it has BYD's renowned rotating touchscreen infotainment system and comes in 10.1-inch or 12.8-inch sizes. An 8.8-inch digital instrument cluster shows driver information. Premium features found in higher trim levels include a power-adjustable driver's seat, heated and ventilated front seats, and a wide panoramic glass roof with a sunshade. With a 380-liter boot that increases to 1,320 liters when the back seats are folded, practicality is still excellent. Driver assistance and safety. One of the Atto 2's main advantages is its safety. It satisfies rigorous safety standards in international markets because to its extensive array of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, which includes autonomous emergency braking, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control.